Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials. Make sure watchOS is current and the watch has at least 20% charge. Once done, keep it near your iPhone. Open the watch settings and swipe up to access Control Center. Tap the bell icon to toggle silent mode, then test a quick notification to confirm sound is off. If you prefer automated behavior, pause here and follow the next steps to silence vibrations, notifications, and watch faces, the why matters. You control each source separately. Now focus on detailed execution. Go to Settings, right arrow Sounds and Haptics. Reduce alert volume to 0 and set haptic strength to none if you want absolutely no feedback. Once done, enable Cover to mute to silence incoming alerts by covering the screen. This is fast and reversible. Make sure to set Do Not Disturb or a focus schedule on both watch and iPhone to block notifications system-wide. These steps stop audible alerts versus vibration. Together, they make your watch truly quiet. Finish by confirming mirrored notification settings on your iPhone. Some apps send sounds from the phone to the watch, so make sure those app alerts are muted or not mirrored. If you still hear noise, restart the watch to clear temporary glitches and then reapply silent mode and haptic settings. Finally, inspect per app notifications on both devices. Turn off sounds for offending apps. If nothing works, unpair and repair as a last resort. This resets notification syncing and usually fixes persistent sound issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.